Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela uZweli Mkhize uthi izisebenzi zezempilo kanye nabantu jikelele kumele bazi ukuthi sisazokwenyuka ngamandla isibalo sabantu abahaqwe ubhubhane lwesifo iCovid-19. Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uthi kuyakhathaza ke nokuthi senyuke ngamandla isibalo sezisebenzi zezempilo ehaqwe ilolu bhubhane lwesifo. Ungqongqoshe Mkhize ubese sibhedlela iGeorge Shimankani eNorthwest eyokwamukela uxhaso oluvela ezinkampanini eziyimele.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo ubonge wanconcoza ngoxhaso lwembhede oluvele ezinkampanini eziyimele.
They have offered some food relief packages working with the provincial government, and we want to thank you for that, and we believe it's the right way to go about it.
Uthi izwe alakayinqobi lembi lukhulu oluzayo.
Must not look at the graph and start celebrating. They must know that we are actually seeing the calm before the storm, a real devastating storm.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uthi njengoba kuliwa nalesifo nje beumnyango bayivulile izandla bazolwemukela usizo.
Those hospital beds that we have offered, we appreciate them because at this point we are going to have to look at increasing the amount of space wherein we're going to be admitting people as part of what we call field hospital beds.
Udokotela Mkhize uthi imbhede okuhlinzekwe ngayo umnyango wezempilo imqoka kakhulu njengoba bebaningi abantu abasazolaliswa.
There will be a need for more people to be admitted. We're seeing the numbers slowly increasing, and that increase indicates what we said at the beginning.
Senyuka ngamandla isibalo sabantu abahaqwe ilesifo njengoba izolo silale sebe u7572 abantu asebehaqwe ilesifo kanti isifundazwe iWestern Cape isona esahamba phambili njengoba kunabantu abawu3609 abathelelekile silandelwe eGauteng ngesibalo sabantu abawu1697 bese kuba iKwaZulu Natal yona enasibalo sabantu abawu1142 sebeyikhulu amashumi amane nesishiyagalombili abantu asebenqotshwe ilesifo kanti nakhona isifundazwe iWestern Cape isona esihamba phambili.